What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Aki, and today we're testing out my new exhaust system for my Suzuki Swift Sport. The setup includes a catless downpipe, a straight front pipe, a straight mid pipe, and an HKS street legal muffler. Let me know down in the comments what you think of the new sound. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe, comment, and leave a like. It's completely free for you, but it really helps out the channel.